guys! My name is Grace and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, I'm super excited to share with you guys my recent discovery na isa na namang swak sa budget na pabango. And as you can tell from the title guys, I'll be sharing with you my review of the Hot fragrances. So guys, if you want to know my thoughts and experiences about this product and if okay ba talaga silang dalhin or not, then please keep on watching. So guys, as I've told you before, hindi lang sapat na maganda yung panlabas nating anyo. It is also important na we are smelling good. Minsan may certain smell na na-associate natin with a certain person and nagiging personality na yun, nagiging part yun ng personality niya na, oh, kapag naamoy mo to, si ganito to, diba? Kaya naman ako guys, it is really important for me na I just don't look good but also I smell good. Kaya naman guys, I am always in the hunt for affordable pero talaga nga namang worthwhile bilhin or worth the money bilhin na mga babango. And ito nga, recently guys, I stumbled upon the Hook fragrances. So ayan, Hook is a new perfume maker here in the Philippines, so proudly made here in the Philippines. Ang maganda dito sa Hook fragrances guys is that original yung mga scents nila. So as I've shared with you before, diba, usually or minsan makakakita tayo ng mga perfumes inspired by high-end perfumes, pero guys, ito, they are all original and formulated, all new formulations na talaga namang very unique, very classy pabango. So usually guys, diba, ang mga pabango is mahal talaga yan. Kaya minsan yung iba sa atin is hesitant bumili ng bagong pabango or hesitant bumili ng pabango because feeling nila ang costly ng mga pabango. So guys, itong Hook fragrances, this is retail for only 349 pesos, and for 349 pesos you get 50 ml of the product. I have with me here two scents. I have with me here Boss Babe is Yas Queen. So ayan, so kung makikita ninyo guys, ayan, ang pinaka-favorite ko between the two is itong Boss Babe because it has this citrusy, woody scent to it. Is really perfect and I really like talaga yung mga scents na may ganong notes. Gamit ko siya. Everyday ko to ginagamit guys. And ang maganda sa pabangong to guys is that hindi lang unique yung formulation ng mga pabango but also matagal siyang nag-last. Actually, di ba meron tayong impression na kapag murang pabango, madalas is mabilis mawala yung amoy niya. Pero with Hot fragrances guys, is sobrang tagal ng amoy niya. It usually takes me around 2 to 3 hours before I reapply. And guys nga pala, again, if hindi nyo pa alam, dapat sa pulse points nyo, ini-spray yung pabango para mas magtagal yung amoy niya. So usually dito sa likod ng tenga and then dito sa pulse. Ayan. And then dito. And then minsan naglalagay din ako sa likod ng legs ko. Ang napansin ko sa kanya guys, kapag in-spray mo siya sa skin mo, mararamdaman mo talaga na oily siya kasi oil-based talaga siya. So maganda kapag ang pabango is oil-based guys, ibig sabihin mas nagtatagal yung scent niya as compared with non-oil-based perfumes. If you are looking for new options na to try out na pabango, I recommend you guys try out Hook fragrances. Personally, I love Boss Babe and hindi siya masakit sa bulsa guys. Konting spray lang sa mga pulse points nyo is magtatagal siya for long period of hours and hindi na kinakailangan mag-reapply every hour, diba? Minsan every minute pa nga ma-feel mo yung urge na magpabango kasi hindi mo na naamoy yung sarili mo. Sabi rin ng office mates ko na amoy nila yung bago kong pabango and they said na mabango siya and they loved it. Kaya naman ito, I recommend you guys and maganda siya, maganda yung packaging niya, magandang pangregalo. So if you guys are interested to buy the Hook fragrances, it is available guys in Lazada. Again, for only 349 pesos and for 349 pesos you get 50 ml of the product. Sulit na sulit guys kasi nagtatagal at nagtatagal talaga yung amoy niya. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and find this review helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, or subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!